Auburn Manufacturing is a manufacturer of high temperature and fire resistant fabrics. The products we make are all high temperature resistant, and then they're enhanced with coatings. We decided in 1979 to start our own company, and each time we grew, we added equipment, and we started branching out into higher temperature materials. So little by little, we caught up with the pack that was out there replacing asbestos. And eventually, I think we led the pack. Turns out these products are used in so many places. The first industry that used our products that was of any size was the oil industry. We then began making wide fabrics that are used as insulation covers on equipment in all sorts of industries. Industries like steel. Other applications include any kind of process industry, but it's insulating. That means it's saving energy. It's also preventing workers from getting burned when they bump up against something, or preventing fire during hot work.
We're a small company. We communicate, we listen to each other, we help each other. Most people that come to work here, they do not leave. And I contribute that a lot to the culture of the organization.
I've been working with Auburn Manufacturing for approximately 10 years. It's like being part of the family, working with them.
My first introduction to Maine MEP was in the late 90s. We were having quality issues with our products, and we wanted to do better.
Maine MEP is part of the MEP National Network. We work with small to medium-sized manufacturing companies in the area. A lot of the businesses don't have a plan. They're good at what they do. They go in and day out, and they just try to make a good product for their customers. Kathy and the team here at Auburn Manufacturing really have focused on how do we better ourselves.
MEP came to us. They had put together a consortium of consultants to do ISO training. We couldn't have done that on our own, and that was huge back then. I think we were probably the first among our competitors. It's helped us grow and to retain customers over the years. But we began using their services later to learn lean manufacturing. From then it went on into strategic planning, and it really changed our world.
The strategic planning process that they undertook was really massive, but they operationalized all of the initiatives that came out of that.
The way we improve is it's incremental innovation. Innovation is connected to manufacturing.
Because that's what's going to keep our economy growing. That's what's going to keep our people working, and that's what's going to make our manufacturing companies healthy.
You're always going to be a small business. You're never going to be a medium business if you don't push yourself forward. And Maine MEP has certainly helped us push ourselves forward. We're working on some exciting projects right now. We're getting into aerospace, and we've not done that before. I never really dreamed we could, but to be part of something really out of this world, literally, it's pretty exciting.
Businesses like Auburn Manufacturing really are the cornerstone of our community. They provide good jobs, they provide benefits, and they give families stability. And we need more manufacturers like this, not only in our state, but in our country.